It is 2024. Tell me why your lip gloss isn't glossy. Why? Why? Hi guys, let's make my most pink pigmented lip gloss in a shade 2 pink. When it comes to making pigmented glossy, most small businesses use Versagel, carrier, or with the pigment, liquid pigment, or micropilot. Okay, it is good. But if you go on TKB Trading website, let me put you guys on. Check in the lip gloss section. Try to add polybutene. Polybutene is a thick gel, just like Versagel, but it's thicker than Versagel. The purpose for that gel is to give your base thickness and shine. The main purpose is shine. So if you're making pigmented lip gloss, try to add butane to your formula. That is just one of the many ingredients on TKB Trading that will elevate your lip gloss formula to make it compete with bigger brands. Though I'm a small business, I always strive to get my formula to look and feel like this big brand, especially Fenty Beauty. I love to shine, and I strive my lip gloss to be high shine and moisturizing, but I get one advantage over Fenty: pigmented. So you can shop 2 pink on my website, I love it too.com. Bye.